Hi everybody, it's Wednesday, so we have a career cruising lesson today. So I need you to first log in to career cruising and click on my plan, which you should see all of your information of what you've done so far this year. Then over here on the left hand side, scroll down to where it says my assignments and activities. This is a tab we have not used yet, so we're going to try this today. And then you're also going to use the My Journal, which is right below it. So first off, if you click on My Assignments and Activities, you're going to have an assignment right here that I created for you, and it's called Thoughts on Career Cruising. So you can read through these questions. It says, click on My Journal and then answer the following questions by typing your answers. Number one, many students choose a career similar to that of a family member. Are you leaning towards or away from a particular career that is similar to a family member? So discuss why. I just want at least 3 sentences, so tell me your thoughts. Question number 2, how has using career cruising helped your career exploration to this point? Give me 3 sentences at least. And number 3, discuss the positive and negatives of one career you have saved in your portfolio. So you'll actually have to go back over to your plan and your portfolio and pick one career that you have saved and then discuss the positives and negatives. So after reading this, what you want to do is to click. You can actually copy and paste this if you want, if that makes it easy for you, and go to My Journal. And then you're going to add a new entry. And so you can see here's a sample that this sample student did. We're going to add a new entry and we're going to paste the questions for you here, okay? And we can just call this journal entry number 1, okay? And then what I need you to do is you can just add your answers right after that first question. So just give you some space and start typing. Okay, so I want to be a teacher. My mom was a teacher. Okay, give me some more information. All right, these are just starting conversation points, and once you have these answered, then what you need to do is make sure you save your answers, okay? And then it should show up in your journal. So this is a cool place. We're going to try to use this today, see how that goes. And then I want you to be able to talk about that with your SSR group. So I hope you have some good conversation, some good dialogue, and we'll go from there. So let's have a great day.